In this video guide, I will share with you how to withdraw your money in XTrend speed. So friends, log in your account. This is the first step you need to do. Log in with your name, email, and password. After logging your accounts, you will see this dashboard for your account. Just go to withdraw. If you have any amount here, select withdraw option. When you select your withdraw option, you will see this option. From here, write your amount you want to withdraw and then choose your withdraw method from here. After that, click submit. So friends, choose your amount you want to withdraw, to account you want to withdraw, and then click confirm this option. So from here, just write withdraw and then write your amount you want to withdraw. So I hope this guide helpful for you friends. It is easy steps. And remember friends, you have a policy before withdraw. You should have verified your account. And then you can also use the app. You can download this app on Google Play or App Store. You can download this on Google Play and then you can download successfully. You can withdraw on an app, also the same method here. So friends, this is how you can do. Just follow this simple step, select your withdraw and then confirm your withdraw option. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.